Hi friends! Welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. When it comes to sandwiches, or french fries, or samosas, we love to dip it in ketchup. Those store-bought ketchups are often loaded with sugar and preservatives. Today, we are going to share an easy homemade chili garlic tomato recipe without preservatives and with bursting flavors. We are going to prepare a steamer and steam tomatoes. Add water to the pan. Place the steaming basket. Let's use a small paring knife to make an X mark on the bottom of the tomatoes. All of our tomatoes are ready. Now slowly lay them on the steaming basket. Cover and steam on medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. Let's check on the tomatoes. Slowly remove cover. Tomatoes have steamed well. Let's remove and set it aside to cool completely. Once tomatoes have cooled completely, peel skin. Transfer peeled tomatoes to a blender. Blend on high speed for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the blended tomato pulp. To a pan, add tomato puree and bring it to a boil on medium heat. Now it's time to add in our ketchup flavoring. Homemade roasted garlic powder. If you want to know how to make our homemade roasted garlic powder, make sure to watch the suggested video that pops up. Red chili powder. Sugar. Onion powder. Salt. Vinegar, mix everything well and bring it to a boil. This will take about 10 to 12 minutes on medium heat. Since we like spicy food, we have also added a teaspoon of red chili flakes. It's been 10 minutes. Let's check if the ketchup is ready. Take a small amount of the mixture and pour it into a bowl and slowly tilt the bowl. If water drips, then the ketchup is not ready. Let's stir and bring the mixture back to a boil again. It looks like the ketchup is ready. Let's check it out now. Yes, the ketchup is ready. As you can see, there is no water dripping. Ketchup will thicken once cooled. Let's turn off the flame and allow it to cool completely. Transfer ketchup to a glass bowl. Store in a sealed glass container or jar in refrigerator up to 3 weeks.
Knock knock. Who's there? Ketchup. Ketchup who? Catch up with me and I'll tell you. Ha ha, very funny.
Enjoy this chili garlic tomato ketchup with samosa and a cup of Irani chai. Check out our Irani chai recipe that pops up. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!